So hello fellas, welcome to this video. The date today is 16th of June 2025 and the time right now is 10:28 a.m. New York time, and this right here is the chart of US oil. I have just taken a buy position right here. Looks like the trade is definitely going against me. What's the logic behind this trade? This is the 1 minute time frame. As you can see right here, I'll just show you the 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, when I had taken the trade, actually this candle right here, the candle which is forming right now, was green. So I thought that since throughout London and Asia the market was down, market was continuously down, I bet my trade on the logic that there might be a bit of retracement coming up, but seems like we might I this trade might be a loser, because if this candle right here taps into this, I think I'm done for. So that was the logic, just a bit of retracement up. So I wanted to capture the retracement, but I think not, the entry wasn't good. So this is the setup, this was the logic for this trade, and I think this would be a loser. Anyway, I'll update you how this market pans out. So up there fellas, as you can see, the trade the time right now is 10:32 a.m. New York time, and this trade was a loser. Looking back at it, I think my logic was definitely very flawed. I thought that since market was kind of down whole throughout Asia and London, and since this right here is 4 hour bullish order block, I thought market might show some retracement up. Guess it was a mistake on my part. Now the time is 10:30 in 5 minute time frame. I still think market might kind of retrace up, but yeah, I think I would not be taking any buy positions, but I do think there might be a little bit of retracement. I don't know at what time exactly it will come, but I do think that we might get a retracement, because it was in daily time frame we might get a retracement off of this FVG, daily FVG. If market taps into this daily FVG, maybe I can take one more position up, buy position. I'll just monitor this thing. I think it can go up in 5 minute time frame. At least it can retrace up and we might get a position. I'll just wait for it. I'll show you my funding pips account. I think I lost around $50 in this trade. As you can see right here, US oil, I took a position. Actually here it is 0.07 lot, and here we can see that 0.02 lot has been placed. So both of them were actually of the same logic, so we can consider them as one trade. So as you can see right here, I lost $42.21 and 8.18, almost just more than $50. So this was the losing trade. So if I get another chance to go long, I'll be going long, and if I do so, I'll update you. So hello fellas, this right here is my second trade for today, that is 16th of June 2025. My first trade in US oil was a loser. So this right here is my second trade. The time right now is 10:55 a.m. New York time. So what's the logic behind this trade? For your information, this right here is the 1 minute chart. Now the previous trade which I took was around this area right here, somewhere around this area, I think. Yeah, Yes, this area. It was a loser. So my the reason for that trade was I expected some sort of retracement come in, because in 1 hour time frame you can see that Asia and London was continuous down, and right here this 4 hour candle, which is not complete yet, has tapped into this 4 hour FVG, just wicked into this 4 hour FVG right here. Just you can see this wicking into 4 hour FVG. I'll zoom it out. See right here, just wicked into this 4 hour FVG. Now, since London was down, Asia was down, I'm expecting retracement to come up. So, what's the logic for taking trade in this area? I'm this right here is what I call an invalidation setup. For me, this 5 minute inverse breaker if it acts as resistance, if it acts as resistance, then market will continue down. And if market breaks this inverse FVG and moves up, I'm pretty sure that this green candle right here, this short-term liquidity will be taken out. So this right here is what I call an invalidation setup, which is my own setup. So if this inverse FVG, inverse 5 minute FVG is being respected, then my SL will be hit. If it is being disrespected, then market will go till this area. So my TP is just above that area. So I'm hoping at this point I'm just hoping that market kind of disrespect this inverse FVG. So why did I take at this time? Because usually US oil shows reversal at 9 a.m. 1 hour candle or 10 a.m. 1 hour candle. Most of the time I backtested this. So during this time it kind of shows some kind of reversal. Even if the reversal is not strong, it just shows some retracement up. So that's my logic. And also there's one point which I think we might take into account. Let us just concentrate on the 1 hour time frame. In this bill, this right here is US oil and this right here is UK oil, and then we can see some sort of SMT right here. See, this both of them are showing 1 hour time frame candle, and this right here, concentrate on this candle right here, 14.00, that is 12 June 2025. How high it is, this UK oil, how far above it is to this US oil. See this? I'm not sure if this right here can be qualified as empty, but I do think there's some smart money divergence coming up. SMT divergence coming up, might come or might not come, but I'm thinking that at least if this the case, if UK oil doesn't want to go down, then US oil might sort of retrace up a little bit, and I just want to catch that retracement. For me, that's the logic for this trade, and I just want to see this candle right here, 10:55 a.m. 5 minute candle, to sort of close above this green box. If it closes above this, I'll be a little bit confident on market continuing up. If it closes red, then I think my SL will be hit. We'll just monitor this. 23 seconds left, so we'll just see if it closes green or closes red. So that's the logic. I hope you understand. Let us see how this candle closes. I think this candle will be also the end of this will also be suggesting how this 10 a.m. candle closer occurs. So up there, fellas, as you can see right here, the time right now is 11:35 a.m. New York time, and as I was outlining that if this green box right here, 5 minute inverse FVG, is being disrespected, market can reach till this point, this green line, which is the which is my which was my buy side liquidity target. Market in fact disrespected this 5-minute inverse FVG, and it has reached this green line, which also happens to be right here, 1 hour FVG. So it is showing a bit of reaction to the downside, which is not to my liking. If we zoom in, we can see that it has tapped into this FVG, 1 hour FVG. So this right here was 1 hour FVG. So the market is showing signs that it might try to turn down. So I have placed my SL. I have moved my SL not to break even. I have moved my SL till this point, just below this 5-minute inverse FVGs, just below this. So market can definitely continue down, but my objective that market will reach this area was correct. But I did not book profit. I did not take profit in this area because my risk to reward was not matching. If I had placed my TP here, it would have been 1.1:3, which is not like a good risk to reward. So I put my risk to reward as 1.1:2. So it was around this area. So I'm not moving my SL to break even yet. I'll just wait for this candle closer, or I will just keep my SL here in this red line. If market takes this SL, well and good. I'll be initially I had risked around $40, so now my risk has been reduced to $20. So if market moves down and takes my SL, I'll be okay with that, because I'm not going to get away from this trade without 1:2. But if market kind of takes this high and sort of moves higher strongly, I'll just move my SL to break even. So either it will be $20 loss or break even, or 1:2 target. Actually my risk to reward is more than 1:2, because I want to book $100 profit. So it would be 1:2 would be $80, but I'm targeting $100, because the previous trade which I lost, it cost me around $50. So I missed. I didn't put the correct quantity right here to mitigate the loss that I booked in the first trade. So that was my mistake. Actually I was yeah, I didn't put on size in this trade. So let us just wait and see how this market pans out. I'm hoping that market kind of takes this high and continue up a little bit, hitting my TP, and then if it wants to reverse down, well and good. If it wants to go up, well and good. I'll be out of the market. So I'll update you however this market pans out. So update fellas, as you can see, the time right now is 11:50 a.m. and I have just taken out my position. Actually my TP was somewhere around where I forgot. I did get my 1:2 around this area. Not exactly here. Where was the entry point? Around this area I think I got my 1:2. And then when I looked at the 1 hour chart right here, it kind of looked to be tapping into the 50% of this bearish FVG, 1 hour FVG. So I was not really confident that market will continue up. See right here, I thought since what's the time right now? The net is slow, man. The time is 11:50. So if we consider power of 3 in 1 hour candle, then 11:50 will be like a bit of retracement might come up. So I didn't want to hold that long because I did get my 1:2. I was willing to hold till $100, but that was my mistake. That was the mistake on my part, that I didn't put enough quantity that 1:2 will give me $100. Even then, with risking around $40, I did book more than 1:2. I think I took a profit around $87. I'll just show you my Funny Pips account. So this idea did work. So let's just go to my Funny Pips account. As you can see right here, this is my Funny Pips Funding Pips student Fvg account. 5k Funding Pips student Fvg account ongoing, as you can see right here. So I'll just show you the trades which I took today. As you can see right here, Usoil June 16, June 16, June 16. This looks to be 3 trades, but look at the quantity. This was the second trade, 0.1 lot, and this right here, both of this were the previous trades, 0.07 and 0.02. So these were losing trades, $42.21, $8.18 loss. And then right here, this was a profit of $86.70. Actually, I should have put $50 at risk here, but I put around $40. I think, yeah, I did put around $40 risk. So that was the mistake. And then the time which is being shown right here, 8:23 p.m. is actually Indian Standard Time. So this is Indian time. So no, don't be confused about the time which I spoke about earlier, which was the New York time. So that's something I want to clear. And now you can see that my balance is $5,303. So I need around $100 to pass this account. So that's all for this video. We'll see you in another one. Bye bye.